Hello everyone, today we are going to download Spark AR. Spark AR is an application on which you can make filters for Facebook and Instagram. So go to the link in the description below and click on download. It will directly download the correct version for your PC or Mac, whatever you're using. Then open the installer. Click on next, agree, next, next, and then wait for the installation to complete. This might take a while. After the installation is over, you can now run Spark AR. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.